Hi, I'm Rachel with DK Custom Products. Today I'm going to be going over the frequently asked questions on the permanent oil filter. This product uses a medical grade stainless mesh designed to pass large volumes of oil when compared to your standard paper filter. The cloth is designed to filter 35 microns or larger. 35 microns is below the limit the human eye can see. Now you may be thinking, my filter is rated at 5 microns and it's way better. But you have to understand, the Harley Davidson OEM filters and aftermarket filters are rated on percentages, averages, and multiple passes. So a 10 micron rated paper filter may be letting 100 microns or larger pass through. The stainless cloth used in this permanent filter is consistent across the entire surface and is rated 35 microns, meaning nothing larger than 35 microns will pass through the material. It's an absolute. With paper filters, the rating is an average. Ask yourself, was this test done on a Harley at Harley operating temperatures? Did this mimic the life of the disposable filter? Understand the paper filters work well when they're new, but what happens whenever they become clogged due to uneven filtering between oil changes? The oil begins to bypass the filter and you get zero filtration. Yes, your disposable oil filter has a pressure relief bypass. The more free-flowing oil filter also has such a bypass, but it is rarely used unless something's going really wrong in your engine. Yes, there is a performance benefit to a more free-flowing oil filter because it creates less drag on a mechanical Harley oil pump. With that said, it is a small performance gain, but we actually dyno tested the permanent filter to show these nominal gains. I will put a link to that video in the corner above. Additionally, the billet housing does provide some cooling benefits, and this is always crucial to peak performance. You will typically see up to 5 degrees lower temperatures with the permanent filter. Soap and water works well, any degreaser will work. And since the filter material is stainless steel mesh, no worries on deterioration. You do need to dry the filter or allow it to dry before reinstalling. For this reason, many people do prefer to have an additional filter insert on hand for quicker oil change. It does have improved styling over the disposable filter. It's available in a billet aluminum mirror finish and also in anodized black. Additionally, it is equipped with a hex nut on the end, making it easy to remove and reinstall. Many like the fact that it gives peace of mind knowing it's a good filter. The same cannot be said for mass-produced disposable filters. Just Google Fram oil filter issue and you will see those have a reputation for collapsing. One of the great things about this filter is it is equipped with a magnet that will catch any metallic debris passing through your engine. These filters will last the life of your bike and then some. Kevin, the K in DK, has upwards to 150,000 miles on the same filter. It has seen the majority of the North American continent. If you have any questions about these filters or you want to get your hands on one, you can shoot me an email at support@dkcustomproducts.com or give me a call at 662-252-8828 and ask for Rachel. Y'all ride safe out there.